Hi, my name is Ben Malport. I'm an account manager and I work for NorthAmCon. Today, we'll be looking at a couple of product positioning devices for 24-volt conveyor. There are many reasons for positioning a product on a conveyor. Perhaps you want to trigger a sensor or photo eye for automation, or maybe you want to align the product for a more predictable transfer or to correct positioning after a divert. In this example, the customer would like to center packages of varying dimensions. In this case, there wasn't enough space to mount a blade stop underneath the conveyor, so we came in with a stop from the side to stop the product. Then there's a photo eye delay timer, which halts the zone to maintain the product position. While stationary, pushers engage on the lateral sides of the package to center it before the product advances down the conveyor line. This is just one example of how to position products for more predictable results in your automation process. Many devices are available in pneumatic, electric, and non-powered options depending on your specific needs. Are you an OEM or integrator that needs predictable product placement? Give us a call or send us an email. My team and I would be happy to walk you through your next project.